Hi guys, it's me. Welcome to my channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Here's another one for you. The lady narrates humiliating experience with a man on Abuja flight. A Nigerian lady has shared her humiliating experience with a man she met on the plane to Abuja. According to her, they had met during their flight, discussed business and exchanged cards. In a surprising development, the man messaged her by 12:30 a.m. asking if she would be willing to render her services, probably in the aircraft's toilet. The young lady, who felt ridiculed, narrating her experience after the flight, tweeted, "My last Abuja trip. Met a man at the airport and we discussed business opportunities between Mauritius and Nigeria and also exchanged cards. Only for me to land in Abuja and he calls me at 12:30 a.m. And then I woke up to a text saying, 'Can you offer your services this night?' He made a comment like, 'Is this what you got from Mauritius? My anklet and piercings.' I should have known that was what he was thinking. Can't help but reduce me to my vagina. After I told him I was traveling for a work trip and told him to RSVP because it was in his field." Guys, if you ever had such embarrassing experiences in the Uber, on the plane, wherever, please share your comments, your ideas, and let's know how you felt that day. Thank you.